Good afternoon, students. This is your Hindi Adhyapak. I am here today with new topic. Its name is Upsarga. Upsarga. Upsarga means prefix. In English, what is that? Prefix. So, what is the definition of prefix there? I will tell you. जो शब्दांश शब्द से पूर्व लगता है उसे उपसर्ग कहते हैं. For example, in English, happy word is there. Happy is the main word and unhappy. Before the word un is there, that is prefix. So in Hindi also like this, जो शब्दांश शब्द से पूर्व लगता है, whatever word it is there in Hindi, before that, if any phrase we are using and making new word there, that is called upsarga. That is called upsarga. Now here we have some examples you can see here. Here, utkantha. The word is given there in exam. This types of question will be asked for 4 marks. What words will be given there, and they will say there separate the prefix and suffix from the main word. Sometimes what will happen there, this prefix and suffix words are there, it will be given there, and they may ask you make some words using this prefix and suffix. So both types question will be asked there, and you have to do it that. Okay, so see there here, utkanta is a word. Suppose this word is given in exam there. So upsarga, main word what is there? Kantha is there. Main word what is there? Kantha is there. Now before the word, ut is balance here now. So in upsarga place, what will come there? Ut will come there. So utkantha. So what will become there? This will become utkantha. Now abhipray. Pray is a main word. Pray is a मेन वर्ड, मूल शब्द है, और उसके आगे what is there? Abhi is there. Before pray what is there? Abhi is there. So when you join this, what word you will get it there? Abhipray will get it there. Correct? Like this, anavashak. Like this, anavashak. An is a upsarga and avashak is a mool shabda. If you will join there, what word you will get it there? Anavashak you will get it there. Sometimes anavashak will be given there, like this upsarga and mul shabda heading you have to write down, and main word you have to write, then upsarga you can find and write down there for 2 marks. The another example we have here, nischal. Ni is there, and here visarga symbol is there. Visarga aha is there in swar. When vowels are there, na, I, last 2 letters are there, and aha, that symbol is given here. So this, when we are joining this visarga, that time what it will become there? It will become sh. It will become sh. So chal is the main word, and ni, when you are joining this, so what word we will get it there? Nishay, nischal we will get it there. Here another example we have there, sambhavana. What is this? Sambhavana. So sam is a upsarga prefix and bhavana is a main word. Again, one more example is here, pratyuttar. What is this? Pratyuttar. Prati plus uttar there. I think last year you might have studied sandhi. Joining is there now. If you knew that joining there, here you can see there now, prati uttar is there. In this ti, what is the if vowels you will remove there, so what this e is there here? What vowels is there? E is there, and here what is there? U is there. So e plus u is equal to u. First ya will become there. E plus u is equal to ya, and here you can see there prati uttar. So what will become there? Like this, pratyuttar. This word will become like this, pratyuttar. Okay. So if you knew the definition and how to do it there, so easily you can separate these words, separate prefix from the word there. Okay. So keep it in mind there. One example I told you in English also, happy is the word there, unhappy, when you are making it, that un is what? Prefix. That un is what? Prefix is there. Likewise, all the examples are given there. Word is given here. Heading you can give here. upsarga and mool shabda. Mool shabda means main word you have to find out there, and prefix you have to separate there. But make sure that when you are separating this, that separated word should have meanings. That separated word should have meanings there. If you separate it and the meaning is not there for that separated word, so your answer may be wrong. Okay, so like this, upsarga is there, prefix is there. So let us see there what's about this pratyay. Now in upsarga we saw there the phrase we are adding there before the word. Opposite of this in pratyay, what is here? The phrase we are adding there after the words. That same example I will give you in English. Happy is the word there, ness, happiness. That ness, what is there? Suffix. Pratyay means what in English? Suffix is there. Okay, so happiness. Here we saw there unhappy. Happy is the word, un before the word, and here ness after the word there. So what will be the definition of this pratyay? जो शब्दांश शब्द के अंत में लगते हैं उसे प्रत्यय कहते हैं. The end of the word, whatever phrase we are using and making new word there, that is called suffix there. So we have some examples here. Let us see there. Okay, Bharatiya. Now the word is there, Bharatiya. Here you can see there Bharat. Here you can see there Bharat means what? India. Now this symbol you can see there here. This symbol. This is the E symbol. What is this? This E symbol is there. Correct. So Bharat I have written here. So this symbol is equal to this E. And what is balance here letter? Year. So this A plus year, year. Year is a suffix there. So Bharat plus year, Bharatiya. Bharat plus year, Bharatiya. Here another example we have Pahadi. Pahadi. Pahadi means what? Those people are living on the mountain. So here you can see there the main word is there Pahad, mountain. Pahad means mountain. When you are adding this E, so what will become there? Those who are staying on the mountain, Pahadi. Correct? So Pahad plus E, Pahadi. Now here Vish means poison. Ela is a suffix. Ela is a suffix there. Ela is a suffix. So this I is equal to what is there? This I is equal to two symbols are there. These symbols I is equal to these two symbols are there. So see there, Vish plus Aila. These two symbols you can add here, and La you can add there. So you can get the Vishela word there. Correct? So Vish plus Aila, Vishela. Vish plus Aila, Vishela. So Vish is the main word, and Aila what is there? Suffix is there. We have another word here. Example, see there, Mithas. Mithas, sweetness. Sweet is the main word, and ness is a suffix there. So Mitha, main word what is there? Mitha, sweet. Okay, and as what is there? Ness. Mitha plus as, Mithas. Then Bahav. Bahav, Bah plus Aw. When the water is flowing there, that example is here. Bahav. Bahav, Bah plus Aw is equal to Bahav. Vaigyanik. Vaigyanik means scientist. Okay. Vigyan. Vigyan means science, and here ik. When you are adding ik in Vigyan, so what word we will get it there? What word we will get it there? Vaigyanik will get there. Correct? So like this, upsarga and pratyay is there. So once more, I am going to revise this. Just listen carefully. Upsarga means what in English? Prefix is there. One example I have told you. Happy word is there, unhappy. Un before the word when you are using there, that is called prefix. So the definition of upsarga, what is there? Before the word, whatever phrase you are using and making new word there, that is called upsarga. जो शब्दांश शब्द से पूर्व लगता है उसे उपसर्ग कहते हैं. Examples are there. Here you can see there now. Upsarga before the word we are using there. So here shabda is there. Words in exam. Whichever words will be given there, these words are here. Here mul shabda is there before, means here you have to write upsarga there. Correct? So here what is there? Abhipray. Abhi plus pray, abhipray. An plus avashyak, anavashyak. Ni plus chal, nischal. संभावना, सम प्लस भावना इज इक्वल टू संभावना. Then प्रति प्लस उत्तर इज इक्वल टू प्रत्युत्तर. प्रति प्लस उत्तर इज इक्वल टू प्रत्युत्तर. And here suffix. Suffix is opposite of prefix. Correct? Here before the word we are using the phrase there, and here in pratyay what is there after the word we are using here. Correct? So definition what is there here, also one English word I told you, happiness. Happy is the main word and ness is a suffix there. Correct? So what will be the definition? जो शब्दांश शब्द के अंत में लगते हैं उसे प्रत्यय कहते हैं, उसे प्रत्यय कहते हैं. Which phrase we are adding there after the word or end of the word, it is called pratyay or suffix there. Some examples are given there. Bharatiya, Bharatiya, Bharat plus iya. Pahadi, Pahad plus e. E symbol you can join here. E is equal to right side of the matra. So what will become there? This pahad will become pahadi. Correct? So when you are doing this, you should be aware of the symbol of walls there. If you do not know, so maybe you can do the wrong separation. Vishela, vish plus aila. Mithas, mitha plus as. Bahav, bah plus aw. Vaigyanik, vigyan plus ik. So like these words are there, you have to join there. 2-3 examples I will show you how to join it. Okay, so see here now. Here you can see there this Bharatiya. In this, Bharat is a main word is there, so you can write here Bharat. Bharat is a main word. Bharat you can write there. Now you can see there in Bharatiya, this symbol is there and this symbol is of this E. Okay, so you can write here E. Now balance what is there here? Ya is there, so it became Iya. Correct? So Bharat plus Iya is equal to what? Bharatiya. Pahad you can see there, the main word is there, Pahad. The main word is there here, Pahad. Now you can see there, the same E is there, second E is there. So that E means what here? Pratyay. That E means what? Pratyay. Now Vishela you can see here now. The main word is there, wish. The main word is there, wish. Okay. The main word is there, wish. Now you can see there, this 2 matra. This 2 matra is equal to I. And what is their balance? La. So Aila is there. The suffix what is there? Aila is there. Here mithas. Mithas, mitha plus a. Here what is there? In this last letter, a sound is there. And here a sound is there. So a plus a sound. A plus a sound is equal to what? A. And a is equal to right side of the matra there. Right side of the matra. That's why what will come there? The answer will be mitha plus a will come there. Correct? Here Vaigyanik you can see there, Vigyan plus ik. Vigyan plus ik, Vaigyanik. So like this, 4 marks question will be there. Sometimes they will ask you, the words will be given there. You have to separate upsarga from the main word, and sometimes what will be there? The prefix will be given there. From that they will ask you, make 2 words each. If 2 words you are doing there for 1 mark. Okay, so like this 4 marks question will be asked from this topic, upsarga and pratyay. I hope that you have understood there. If any doubts are there, I will be clearing it. Thank you very much.